Hello parents, this is cycle 2, week 8, and I will start with the timeline for week 8. It starts with Council of Nicaea, Augustine of Hippo, Jerome completes the Vulgate, Visigoth sack Rome, then the Middle Ages, Council of Chalcedon, Western Roman Empire falls to barbarians. And then I'm going to go to the history. The history and the geography ties in nicely together this week. It's tell me about European exploration. Between the late 1400s and the mid 1500s, Diaz, we are going to make a D for sign language, Diaz rounded the Cape of Good Hope. Amerigo Vespucci, this is an A in sign language, sailed to the Americas. Balboa crossed Central America to the Pacific. Magellan's crew sailed around the globe. Coronado explored the American, I'm an American, Southwest. So, and there is a song that goes with it on the CC app and CDs. Please sing the song. We will be singing it in class. And then for geography, we have European explorers, and we have Cape of Good Hope in our history sentence, and we have Magellan, we said Magellan's crew sailed around the globe. And so, Mid-Atlantic world. So on my map, the kids, we've had these little explorer hats before, so they will put on their explorer hat and go to the Mid-Atlantic world. First one is the Cape of Good Hope, which is in the bottom of Africa. This is the Treaty of Tordesillas. There we will go to the Canary Islands. And we will also go to the Strait of Magellan. And that is the geography. For science, there is a song on YouTube sung by a sweet little girl, and so I'm going to use that. It is, what are some parts of the sun? And it goes like this. Some parts of the sun are core, radiative zone, convective zone, sunspots, photosphere, solar flare, and corona of some parts of the sun. So, core, radioactive zone, which is, this is a R, core, radiative zone, convective zone is a C, sunspots, you're going to make spots on the sun, photosphere is, I'm taking as photo, solar flare, and corona. And then for math, we have the 14s, and we will be clapping while singing the song. We will go through it 9 times, as many times as there are kids. After each time we've gone through the song, we will erase a number, sing again, erase a number. So, and the 40 song goes like this. 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98, 112, 126, 140, 154, 168, 182, 196. For English, we have reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns is, I'm going to remind myself and the students about a mirror gives you a reflection. So reflexive pronouns. What do I see in the mirror? I see myself. So it starts with myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. It is on the same tune again, and it goes like this. Stop. Name the reflexive pronouns. The reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. And then Latin is the same as last week, which we love if we get to repeat it. It is isti, it. Imus, like a moose, imus. Istis, errand, like I'm running an errand. And it's the first conjugation, present perfect tense. And for science experiment, we will continue, we will do a solar system again. Last week we did it outside, proportional, and this week we will do it proportional inside on a little paper. So ask your children about what did they do in science experiment and what planet were they responsible for, how far were they from the sun. And then tin whistle, we will continue with tin whistle. Every week remind your child or remember to have their tin whistle there, and they do like to play the different songs, so encourage your child at home, or if they ask them, you can just I did give the page numbers in our weekly email from where the songs are. Let them practice their finger codes, and they can we have plenty of time because the kids, this is the second year for most of them, to play their tin whistle, even though we go through everything. Thank you, parents. I'll see you in week 9.